Good morning, day 14. The sunrise was beautiful this morning. I got outside just in time to catch the sun coming over the mountains. However, the wind is howling today, so it is an inside morning. For today's agenda, we have to go to the post office. Quartzsite has a program called General Delivery, so you can get packages sent there and you just put general delivery on the address and you show your ID when you arrive, and then you can pick up your package. We have a few packages there for some client work that we're going to be doing, so that's high on our agenda today. We need to refill our waters and make a quick run to the grocery store. So today is a van chore day. From what we've seen in the Facebook groups, the post office is really busy here. So we are anticipating that that is going to be a long chore. So we will keep you posted as this unfolds. All right, the wind is finally dying down. Since yesterday was cloudy, we didn't get as much of a charge on our rooftop solar panels and on our extra solar panels. So all of our batteries are at pretty low percentage right now. We're taking advantage of the full sun this morning to get everything charged back up. Our external solar panels are directly in the sun, so they're getting some good charge right now, but our rooftop ones are not directly in the sun since the sun's not in the middle of the sky yet today. So our indoor van battery is less than 50%, which is less than ideal. So we're kind of just picking up the pieces from yesterday and trying to get our feet back underneath us today. Give me a twirl. All right, so I just want to hop on and give you guys an update on our day. Today's been the first day that we're really feeling like van life is not going our way. It's been really windy, and we had to leave camp today to do some restocking and chores, and we had to really secure down the MoonShade, so we're just like crossing our fingers it's still there when we get back. We were supposed to get some packages today, but they got returned to sender because they were shipped UPS and USPS didn't accept them. So then I had to go through this whole runaround, and I still have to call UPS to try to get the packages rerouted. But the guy at the UPS store did say that this happens all the time, and this is a pretty easy request. And in the process of all of it, we hit the side of the van on a little sideways leaning fence, and it just caused like a minor scratch, but it was just one of those days where everything that can go wrong is going wrong. So we're getting back to camp now, and we're really just crossing our fingers that the MoonShade is still there. So if you're watching this, give this video a like if you hope the MoonShade is also still there. All right, we're back to camp. The wind is still really crazy, but the good news is the MoonShade is still here, just how we left it. Got the van parked back in place. We're going to get set back up, and luckily 2 out of the 3 packages that had the wrong address I was able to catch and correct the delivery address, so we fixed that situation. But the third one, unfortunately, we're not able to catch. Really feeling deflated after that. So we're just gonna set up our moonshade and we're gonna have some dinner and call it a night. And we're gonna take the night off from work. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.